Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the 22 chapter probability. Do you know that what students probability? Probability that we are using whenever possibility there, chance is there. Okay, to get that we are using that words probability. When that the things in the future, the result is in future, but we are expecting like that, then that time we are using the word probability. So we are saying that today that rain may probability will get, and so that words we are getting that to possibility chance or chance is there, like that way we are using. So let us discuss about that, students, what is that probability and what are the things related to the terms in this chapter we will discuss in this video. So first of all, discuss about that what is that probability. It is the study of likelihood or chance of the occurrence of a given event. It is chance is there, likelihood is there, or to get the occurrence of an event. Anything, suppose like rain or today cricket match is there. We are expecting what is that India will win. Okay, so that we cannot say that India will win, but we will say India will win. Today that in the match that Virat Kohli will bat, will score that 100 runs. How can we say that? No, we cannot confidently. We cannot say 100% surely. We cannot say. We have to say that probability. May the Virat Kohli will be bat the 100 probability will get the 100 scores. Okay. So let's see examples I have written. The Virat will probably make a century in this cricket match. India will possibly become a superpower soon. Means this word probably, possible, occurrence, that likelihood. So these are the possibility cases we are using. Which one we are expecting? Some important terms students will discuss about that probability chapter. It is very important and interesting chapter. So what is that? First one is deterministic operation. Do you know that the deterministic operations in your science laboratory lab you can observe that. So we know that if hydrogen and oxygen will mix, what will get? Compulsory water will get. If carbon with a mix will burn in the presence of oxygen, the carbon dioxide gas will release. We know that. So it will compulsory this performance, it will already be known, and whenever we take that action and reactions, it will come that result. We know that. So such type of experiment is called as deterministic experiment or operations. Okay. So let us discuss that. Which one result we know that it will get compulsory, surely there. So the experiment which produce the identical result or outcomes on the several of repetition, if the condition are, then the conditions are identical. If the conditions are identical, are called deterministic operations. That means when that result, how many times also you will do that repetition experiment, you will do the repeats, then you will get that also same carbon dioxide or water or the whatever that products we are getting, same things you will get every times. There is no change, because hydrogen when we will mix with the water, compulsory will get that water. When the carbon dioxide will react with that oxygen, so we will get that carbon dioxide. Understand? Sodium when will react with the chlorine, we will get that sodium chloride. It is how many times you will do also, same result will get after the number of times repetition. Okay. But next we will discuss another one experiment, friends, random experiments. So what is that random experiment, students? Do you know? Deterministic experiment means we will get the same result. We know that also we will get the same result. How many times you will repeat? But the random experiment, what is that? Random experiment means the result, what the things you are possibility there that you know, but exactly you don't know. Okay. For example, I will say, students, in one basket or in a bucket, there are different color balls are there. What the colors? 3 color balls are there. Blue color, red color, and a white color. Red, blue, white balls are there. But whenever we will put that, we draw back one ball. What color will come? You can say, sir, it will become white ball or black ball or red ball. But you never say will get that green ball. Okay. This out of 3 colors, may one color will get compulsory. But exactly we cannot say we will get red. We cannot say may it will be white. We cannot say it is white will come. So chance for all. Okay. In that cases, that experiment is called as what is that? Random experiment. That means whenever next time chance will do, it may be result will change. Suppose you see head and tail we are toss giving one coin. What will get? We know either a head will come or a tail will come. The result we know that, but exactly we don't know what will come. Yes, in that cases we will say that is random experiment. Okay. So an experiment in which all possible outcomes are known, whatever that possible outcomes are known. That like I told, one head will come or one tail will come, like that. Known, but the exact outcome cannot be predicted in advance. It is called random experiment. Tossing a coin, throwing a die. These cases we know the result. All possible result what is that will come we know, but exactly what the result we don't know. Outcomes, some related terms to this random experiment. Outcomes, what is that outcomes will come. Now possible result of the random experiment is called outcome. Suppose one coin is tossed, we are doing the tossing. Then what will come? Head will come. So that is called as outcomes. The result, what is the result came? One blue ball will be drawn, that is the outcomes. So outcomes means what the results came in the random experiment, that is called as a outcome. Tossing a coin, outcome, head or tail. One head will come, or we can say that one tail will come. The head will say that is the outcome, or tail will say that is also one outcome. What is the result? What we won't get that whenever we are doing the trial, one toys we are keeping, at that time what the result came. Trial. Performing a random experiment is called a trial. So whenever we are doing that experiment, that is called as one trial. Means number of times you can do. Suppose one time you done trial, that is we are getting that what head. That is one of the trial. Second time you will do, may it will come head or may it will come tail. Definitely we cannot say it is a will get the head. Next event. An event, one or more outcomes of random experiment. Event means one or more outcomes whenever it will get, that is called as a event. Okay, suppose we are saying whenever one die will throw. Okay, the outcomes, whatever possible outcomes are there, 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come, 6 will come. So these are called as possible outcomes, or these are called as one of the events. Okay friends, so these are all about that. Generally what are the discriminant operation and what is that our random experiment we have discussed, and some terms related to the outcomes, trial and events also we have discussed. Other the formula and theoretical formula and that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you.